All right, guys, welcome back. Quick and easy is the words that we are using today. And yes, so I have the distinct privilege and honor to be able to roll out a recipe for the very first time in my crazy cooking career on TV for Chef Khalid Mohammed, one of the premier chefs here in Trinidad and Tobago. Wherever you're looking at us across the Caribbean, guys, Chef Khalid is one of our top chefs here in Trinidad and Tobago. Chef, I wanted to thank you first of all, yourself and Alison, for sharing your stories with us, because I know it's tough times, but we're in it together. Yeah, we will sail through this somehow on the other side. Thanks for being here.
Pleasure.
You have my little more nervous now that you're not saying anything. You have my little more nervous. When you told me you cook at home now, you're cooking at home a little more regularly now. What's one of the dishes you kind of cook at home?
I do Asian chicken salad.
So that's what I'm doing for you today, incidentally. Yeah. My one probably would be a little better than yours, yes. But so I am doing an Asian chicken pasta salad. So, chef, to be honest, as I said, the way I started cooking, so back home I would have cooked. Growing up with my mom, pasta salad is a creamy pasta salad, mayonnaise, and I thought that was the only way you could have done salad. Then when I started cooking, I did an Italian flavored pasta salad at the time, and I was just kind of blown away with the fact that I kind of created it. So I decided going the Asian, using simple Asian ingredients and creating that kind of Asian flavor and doing a pasta salad. So that's kind of what I'm going with, and I'm hoping that you'll enjoy it. Yeah?
Absolutely.
Very, very simple. So we're starting with I have some light soy. I kind of prefer to use light soy because I was kind of very afraid of using the dark soy.
Yeah.
It kind of takes over in my mind. I don't know if that's how you feel as well.
For sure.
Yeah. Sesame oil. So simple, basic stuff that you would use in Asian cuisine. I have some sugar that I just kind of add to that as well. I have some fresh ginger and some fresh garlic. That's garlic and fresh ginger. Fresh ginger and fresh garlic are kind of very important once I'm doing Asian cuisine. I have some lime juice, and the lime juice kind of very important in everything we're doing here. Some olive oil. So I am making here a dressing that will not only go on the salad, but I'm using it to marinate in the chicken as well. I want to just salt and pepper, and I can mix that together. That is as simple as your dressing, guys. No real maths in this dressing. Simple ingredients that you more than likely would have in your pantry, and you pull that dressing together just like that, right? At this stage, chef, I'm just taking a bit of it. I have some strips of chicken that I basically just sliced up. I wanted like nice strips, and I wanted to do it like this way so it cooks very easily and quickly when I put it on the fire. So I will just drizzle a little bit of the dressing, just pour a little bit of the dressing over it and allow it just to sit. I would say give it at least half hour. This is big bold flavors here. Half hour to an hour. If you leave it overnight, it's going to really kind of get nice and pungent and flavor, but let it rest. I had some resting here. Chef, smell?
Nice.
It's good. Woo. I'm going to get my pot kind of nice and hot going there, and it's really now pulling together the pasta salad. So putting together the pasta salad, I decided to use linguine. You could use spaghetti, but I think linguine I just kind of like the little bigger bowl though. It grabs on, I think, a little better. I think that was just my thoughts. I use linguine. If you have spaghetti, yeah, you can use it. Probably one of the shorter pastas as well. I think you could feel free to use that. Pot getting nice and hot, and I want to get my chicken going. Strips of chicken, get a nice sear on either side. Chicken breast does not take long to cook. The worst thing you can do, and the worst thing I can do now, is serve Chef Khalid overcooked chicken. So I'm going to make sure I wash this chicken very carefully.
I think raw will be worse.
Raw will be worse. Raw will be worse. So more pressure. But chicken, I mean, once you watch it, I will 2-3 minutes on either side, and it should be good. Get a nice sear. Make sure you get a nice sear.
Looking good, chef.
Yay! Thank you, chef. And just another couple minutes,
Yeah.
and then it'll be ready. So, chef, while I just said the chicken just final minutes of cooking, I'm going to start putting together the salad. So, the first thing I did when testing this recipe for you, I decided when you boil the pasta, you just kind of pour the same dressing, just in and around. I kind of just did it to make sure it hits the pasta directly and flavors it up nicely. Loosen up my pasta a bit, so I kind of get that toss going. And at this stage, chef, what I can do is I cut up some perfectly chopped cucumbers and bell peppers. So I got some nice color. So I kind of believe in color, chef. So when the cucumbers, I thought would have gone well based on the cuisine. Cucumbers nice and fresh, but I wanted nice. I was looking for red, but I didn't get red. So I got nice orange and green bell peppers and toss that there. So you get a nice pop of color. And now my chicken is kind of ready. And this chicken just goes straight in there. It's best if you can allow this, I think, just to sit in the fridge, allow the flavors to kind of marinate and get together. So just as it is here, I can probably add just a little bit of red pepper flakes, like a little spice. You do pepper, chef?
Yeah, that's right.
You like pepper? Yeah, my grandfather told me, said he probably didn't know, God rest his soul, but he told me, he said, don't put pepper in my plate because I want to taste the food. That stuck with me over the years. So sometimes when people throw a set of pepper on the food, it's about all I eat is pepper, I ain't tasting the food. That stuck with me over the years.
You're not a pepper eater?
Very slight. Yeah, so if I'm having pepper, it's very slight. And that's it, chef. Just like that. I can put that, as I said, you put that in the fridge and allow it to set. I didn't want to make jokes, so I had one well prepared for chef here that I want to plate up so that chef can taste. So this is it, one nice dish. You get some protein. You have your pasta, and there's even some vegetables in there. When Chaud opens back up, I'm applying for a job. When chef opens back up Chaud, chef, this dish can go on the menu, and I will be a sous chef.
Very good.
Enjoy, brother. Enjoy.
Thank you.
It's been a real pleasure.
It looks real good.
It looks
It looks real good. Let me just say. It's good.
It's good?
Excellent. Yeah.
Thank you, chef. Thank you, chef. Whew. That's a wrap.